Two tiny cookie friends just stepped out of the yarn world and are ready to melt your heart. Let's crochet them now. First, for the cookie base, I'll be using yellow yarn. Start by making a magic ring. From the magic ring, chain 1. Then crochet 8 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Don't forget to use a stitch marker to mark the very first single crochet stitch. After that, continue crocheting the remaining 7 single crochet stitches. And just like that, we're off to a sweet start. Once all 8 single crochet stitches are finished, I'll pull the yarn tail to tie in the magic ring so the center closes nicely. Then remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish round 1. After round 1, we'll have a total of 8 stitches. Next comes round 2. I'll chain 1 first, then into the same stitch where I made that chain, I'll crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch. I'll make 3 single crochet stitches all into the same stitch. That means 3 single crochets worked into one spot. And I'll repeat this pattern. 1 single crochet, then 3 single crochets in one stitch. Repeat that 4 times total. By the end of round 2, you'll have 16 stitches. It's growing cute already. By round 2, we've already started forming our neat corners. To finish round 2, I'll make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Now moving on to round 3. We're going to make the cookie shell bigger by increasing at the 4th corner edges. First, I'll crochet 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Where I made the chain. In the next stitch, I'll make 1 single crochet, then in the next stitch, I'll crochet 3 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. The next stitch will be 1 single crochet, then I'll repeat this whole pattern 4 times total. By the end of round 3, we'll have 24 stitches. Now the cookie shape, it's looking extra cute. Just like the previous rounds, to finish this row, I'll make a slip stitch into the very first stitch. Now let's move on to round 4. For this round, I'll work the pattern like this. First, chain 1. Then in the first 3 stitches, I'll make 3 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. In the next stitch, I'll crochet 3 single crochets into the same stitch. After that, I'll make 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. We'll repeat these increases 4 times total. 1 for each corner of the cookie shell. By the end of round 4, we'll have 32 stitches. Now it's getting bigger and looking deliciously cute. To finish this round, I'll make a slip stitch into the first stitch. If you'd like a smaller cookie, you can totally stop here. But for me, I want mine a little bigger, so I'm going on to round 5. First, I'll chain 1, then into the same stitch where I made that chain, I'll crochet 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. I'll make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Then in the center corner stitch, I'll crochet 3 single crochets into the same stitch. After that, I'll just continue the pattern just like shown in the video, and repeat it 4 times total. By the end of round 5, we'll have 40 stitches. Now this cookie is getting extra chunky and cute. For round 6, we're making the cookie edge. First, chain 1. In the next 2 stitches, I'll crochet 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Then in the next stitch, I'll make 1 slip stitch. Let me repeat the pattern one more time so it's easier to follow. Chain 1, then in the next 2 stitches, make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Then make 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Keep repeating this same pattern all the way around until the end of the round. This little detail makes the cookie edge look so cute. For the cookie shell, I'll make 2 identical pieces. You can choose any yarn color you love to make your cookie feel even more special. Once both pieces are finished, I'll hide the yarn tails on the back side of the work. And just like that, the cookie shell is done. Now for the filling, the cream center. I'll crochet it the same way as the shell. The only difference is I'll switch to cream yarn or white yarn. You can pick whichever shade matches your vibe best. Now it's about to look extra tasty. Now we're moving on to the arms and legs decorations. For both the arms and the legs, I'll make them using simple chain strands. For the arm, I'll chain 10 stitches. Then I'll make 2 strips like that. For the legs, I'll make them longer, so I'll chain 15 stitches each. And again, I'll make 2 strips because our little cookie needs 2 arms and 2 legs. These tiny details make the cookie look way more lively, cute, and full of personality. Next, for the hands and feet, I'll make 4 pieces total and use brown yarn. First, make a magic ring. And crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. Once all 6 stitches are finished, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring neatly. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish round 1. For round 2, chain 1 first, then repeat this pattern. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat that 3 times. Quick tip here. After finishing round 2, pause for a moment and grab the arm or leg strand that we made earlier. Tie it onto this piece now, so later you won't need to sew everything by hand. It's a tiny shortcut but saves a lot of time. Once it's tied securely, trim the extra yarn tail. Then continue to round 3. For round 3, chain 1, then repeat this pattern. 1 single crochet, 1 regular stitch spacing, repeat 3 times. When finished, cut the yarn and sew the opening closed. For the hand or foot piece, you can watch closely in the video demonstration. Then repeat for the same steps for the remaining arms and legs. Now it's time for the final touches. I'll use red yarn to stitch the mouth and add a cute little smile. For the eyes, I'm using 5mm safety eyes, and I'll attach them with hot glue. Next, I'll assemble all the parts. The 2 cookie shell pieces on the outside and the cream filling right in the middle. Then I'll add the arms and legs to bring it to life. And just like that, our adorable cookie keychain is complete. You can gift it to your friend or family or use it to show off your own style with something handmade and cute. Or if you're someone who loves starting a small business, you can totally make and sell this product too. Honestly, this has all the signs of a bestseller, cute, handmade, and full of charm. I'm pretty sure it would sell really well. See you again in the next video. More cute ideas, more fun projects coming our way soon. Don't miss me too much.